Hi everyone, it's garden time, and here's the rhubarb. It's coming quite nice. Here I'm gonna show you something, guys. You see that thing here? This is seeds. So you need to cut those if you want to have nice rhubarbs. And you can see they're getting better, bigger every time you remove them. And I have one there, one there. We have 15 plants like this, and they're all the same variety here. There's some more over there. This one is a different one. It's a red one. The inside is red too. And this one is a good variety. Tastes better, and you can see here the difference with the leaves. And this one here, different leaves. It's not the same. Here, take a look at this one here. It's more pointy. The leaf is a little bit more pointy here at the end. There's too much sun maybe to show, but the leaf is a lot pointier. So this plant here is the same as this one, but it's a different variety than this one and the other one. And I have another variety here. I did have another one here, but died. So, and when this one get bigger, I will split it, and at the autumn you're able to split them. And here I have some prune trees, 2 prune trees here. I have 2 more another place. I have another one here that I plant. A friend of mine removed his 2 trees, and I did 3. This one split. I have another one over there, and I have another one there. Here I have some more rhubarbs, plenty of rhubarbs. And I'm doing the garden to plant some potatoes, onions, beans. And I have some, I don't know the name in English, but those are little fruits. We have a lot of fruits tree, guys. This one is another one. And all the bushes you see there, I need to trim clean, because those are some little fruits too, and they're really good. I did put some limestone in the garden, and those are granule little pellets. And I will show you the teller here working. Set the zoom here, and we'll see. I don't know if you heard, guys, but the soil have a lot of rocks in it, and I used to till and they're pretty big rocks. I did remove almost a bucket of rock, and I need to remove some more. The ground here there's a lot of rock here. I will show you here. Last year I did cut some branch last year and I did remove a lot of rocks here. The ground I did remove, like, I don't know if you will see on the camera, but there's a hole over there, and I did remove big rocks, about 2 buckets with my tractor there. Here I forgot to show you, we have a vine here that my parents planted fewer years ago, and they bought 6 vines. I need to fix it and put back some posts here, and my whole greenhouse there fell down and need to clean this up. I'm not going to put back the greenhouse. I'm going to turn this into garden. Those tree lines over there, I'm going to cut this before the winter. I'm going to use them for firewood. And there's a maple tree there, right there. Big maple tree all together there. So the garden was right over there. Garden was pretty big here too. It was a garden. I will turn it back into the garden here. Did plant some potato here last year. Here it's where you saw me here removing some branch last year on one of my video. I did plant potato here, guys, and it really came nice, but as you can see in the soil, there are so many rocks. That's what you heard on the video there when I was tilling. There's so many rocks hanging in my tiller there. Incredible. It doesn't do that with my little Troy built. It doesn't remove the rock like that. The Troy built just jump over it, and that big tiller there make a big difference. Not trying to walk too much. I think I'll need to remove some rock and make another pass, guys. But it does a fine job with the ground there. Soil is not too wet, and I did put some limes to adjust the pH in the soil. One thing for sure, I'm glad I did buy this tiller, guys. It's working pretty nice. And I saw on Facebook there some people asking what brand. Some are more quality. This is made in China. Not all of it. It's assembled in Italy, I think, but most of the parts come from China, supposedly. That's what my dealer said there. But pretty nice equipment there, and for the size of the tractor there, you can see I have a few inch there on the side, and I have a few inch there on the side that passes. So you're not riding in your tilling, so works pretty nice. So thanks again for watching. Put a thumbs up, and if you like what I make to see my video, just click the bell, so every time I put a video you will know it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll show some more. I'll try to show some more videos about the gardening potatoes I will have, and if the deer doesn't eat all my beans. A few years ago I did plant 4 row here, guys, of beans, and 2 days later the leaves were about 2-inch high. No more leaves, guys. All the way they eat it, all my beans. I did plant some peas, everything. They eat everything, even corn. I cannot grow corn. Here I have some, they call it in French topinambour. I will try to find, they're growing here. Show you the plants here. It is, this is topinambour here, this plant. Well, didn't find it, the deer, because they would eat it. Those plants come about 6 to 8 feet high, about the height of my tractor, guys. And one summer there, they left about 4 feet of that plant high from the ground, eat it all the top of the, what was soft and good for them. And it almost killed them, guys, because they need to make some flowers, and there was not much flour. So this plant is like it will take ground, but the deer controls the population of those plants. They eat it. Well, thanks again for watching. Until next time.